Hi guys, welcome
Opening
back
soon,
to
but
my channel.
they never opened.
And today we here in
It did say 3 days.
Culver's.
But you
There
said 3 days.
It did. That says 2 days.
Does it say that?
There is Culver's.
No, it was. It's. Oh wait. It did say 3 hours before. They raised it back up. I think there's something happening inside there.
We had a problem.
Yeah.
It's not open.
It's 2 days, it says up there.
Oh, not yet open the. Oh, not yet open here.
Who's going to read the sign?
It's closed.
2 days, 14 hours.
So it's closed. We cannot buy food. So we go now in Home
So 2
Depot.
days. It's going to bring it to Sunday night. It's going to open up.
Yep. We go to Home Depot now. Kay magpalit mi og garbage disposal. Kay naguba ang amo ang garbage disposal. Need to replace. Kay natagak ang punch. Scratch bright. Natagak. Oh, so bright. Okay, let's
We might make
go.
it a 20.
Hi guys. Karon guys nanami sa Home Depot. Yan o, Home Depot. Guys, Home Depot. Yan. There is. $25 volts.
What your
60. Looking for 25 volts.
Client vote. Instead of 5.
Yeah, 505 an hour, honey.
I think it's the same though.
Here hours disposal.
It's heavy.
Yep. How much, honey?
How about your
One.
hat?
One of us online, 119.
No, 119. Here
Where's
is
the
the
model?
price.
Where's the friggin' model number?
Here is the other disposal is big.
That's not the same one.
359. So big this disposal, huh?
So this is the 500-2. So it's not here. Online, when you search on that 584A, it takes you to this. So there's some kind of an error. They made an error. Somehow they're tying it together, and it's not working. It's not right.
Yep, you cannot buy because I have no stock.
No, it's
Different.
confused.
Is hour is your 5 hours, but this
That's it.
500.
Oh.
Careful, it's slip. Small. It's different. Only bulb we buy. Because I have no garbage disposal. So here,
Green credit card to this one. Probably they probably took this.
you do RJ. So sweet that RJ. I'm always
Chocolate.
eating candy. So
Chocolate.
sweet. No,
Mommy, you want this?
no, not one.
Then buy it.
Ah, no.
Please remove your card. Would you like a new receipt?
Like that. Okay guys,
What's your YouTuber?
ito lang aming nabili guys. About lang dahil walang stock. Garbage disposal. So, uuwi na tayo, RJ. Yan si RJ. Hey guys, pupunta naman kami sa honey, Crown Burger. We're going to Crown Burger guys. Bibili kami ng pagkain for dinner. There is Crown Burger. Here is.
You like to get a cheeseburger?
Okay.
And also an order of fries.
Anything else?
That's it. Go to Lowe's to see if they have the garbage disposal. You find a hat?
I said your phone.
Florida, no RJ?
Give me your phone.
He's from Florida.
Give me your phone.
RJ from
Give me your
Florida. Give me.
I don't want to wear a hat. There you go.
Thank you.
Go ahead and park.
Come on, man.
Go for it.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go.
Buy
There is the burger. Okay, let's go to Lowe's, guys.
how much buy?
Punta kami sa Lowe's, guys.
Now.
Okay, guys, we're here now inside. There it is.
Shower. Does it work? Tell me what. I'm not gonna work.
Too expensive. Plastic.
Let's get bouncy.
Oh, there it is. 59. The same. Like the same to the
Can't see.
Home Depot. See, have no
What? Cord?
no cord.
Let's go back there. Talk to that guy.
119. The same price.
Here they got the 5XL.
Yep.
They're all 5XL.
That's the new now, honey, not in Amazon have honey. I see that the Amazon.
Let's go to the light.
Get it installed.
This is our future fridge. It has a big sleeve.
Oh, nice.
Oh, look at that. Screw it.
Look at
Hey,
this
look at this
freezer.
Let's go
So
talk to someone.
lot.
I need to see a fridge that works.
There's RJ.
Hey, you all the fridges are not.
Just looking here.
What? Are they not working? This one works. Welcome back to RJ Science. These are the cheap ones. These are cheaps.
Cheap. It's that expensive.
These are the regulars. And these are ours.
Standard. Ultra. Okay, come here now. Here is all the sink. Okay, I have nothing here, guys. So, we go back home now.
2 days later.
Then the one, we go to the other one. you fall down. Here is RJ playing in the playground. It's hot, RJ. Hot. Careful. You win. Ooh. There you go. You finish it. Burn your butt. Super hot. Ooh.
There I go.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
It's super hot. Yep. Yeah, you made it, RG, to the top.
Now that.
Okay. Here, have a share done, eh? Here's RJ. Be careful, huh? Yeah.
Quickest ever.
You made it, RJ. When you're there, you have friends, RJ, before.
Yeah, now there's no friend.
Yep. Yep.
It's too hot, that's why.
Yep, so hot, RJ.
They're all playing YouTube.
Okay. Okay, we go now, RJ.
I'll meet you at the car.
So hot. What?